Hello guys, today I will show you how to download Minecraft maps. Go to your browser and type Minecraft maps. Now download your desired map from here. Now extract the downloaded file and copy it. Now type %app.a% on Windows Explorer. Now open .minecraft folder, then open Save folder. Now paste the copied folder here. Now go to your Minecraft and open single player. As you can see, the downloaded map is here. Enjoy playing your new map. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more new videos.